Check the parts after you receive the bicycle. 2 wheels, 2 axles, a front fork, a handlebar, 2 round washers, a knob, a wrench, a bicycle seat, a fixed seat, a quick removal rod. That's enough. Take the remainder fork to put this washer. This little surface. Put one up first. And then put it on this shelf and press it to the bottom. Install the washer head down. And then you put it on the bottom. This hole down here has to leak out. So this is the bottom. This is going to leak out. And then put this knob out a little bit. The knob goes through this hole. The top of the hole goes through. And then rotate it a little bit. Let it go through this fork. Through a little bit. Then pick up this handlebar. This handlebar. There's a groove. The screw rod of this knob is tipped into this groove. This one can be adjusted up and down. After adjusting the height, attach this knob to the handlebar and tighten it. The one that fixes the locomotive. When you use the quick removal rod to pick this up, take off this nut. This shim must not move it. Don't move it in this position, and then put it on. Screw this nut on again. The seat is over this buckle, here. It means that the lowest part of the tube goes through the clip. If only half of it, its seat is easy to deform. This quick removal rod, here, this side is thin and this side is thick. Make sure it's thin towards the screw. If the handle turns over, it won't be tight. The tight turns like this. Turn this handle over, so it won't be tight. If the seat doesn't feel tight here, pull this handle apart. Hold the nut and don't let it move. Turn the handle 1 or half a turn, and then just tighten it up for him. So, it's tight. The wheel here, you pick up this set of axles. Divide the middle half of the circle. Take off half of it. And then take the wheel and come through here. Let's start with an iron ring. Twist a thin nut. Then take off the nut of this and the hook of this as well. Tighten the 2 nuts gently. Loosen it half a turn. It feels pretty light. It's not that big a gap. Let's put a hook here first. This hook, this is going to hook this little round hole. Then put a knot with the brim. The brim of the big hat was inwards against the hook. Same thing on the other side. On a hook, not brim inward. And then you take this wrench and put it in this way, and then you just tighten it up. Make sure you hook it here. Don't let him out. This will tighten both sides at the same time. The rear wheel is also the hook here, and this hook is a little round hole. Put the nut brim inward against the hook like this. Up there. Don't tighten it yet. Go ahead and install the other side as well. And then you screw the nut. Because this side is tight, it is difficult to install the nut on the other side. It's hard to install. Then use this wrench to tighten all the nuts.